Hi everyone! So here we have this picture of Saitama, so let's draw him. So basically there are two ways through which we can draw him, so let's take a paper first and let me show you both of them one by one, and then we will start drawing the actual sketch. So according to the first method, you can simply draw the oval shaped face first, and after drawing it, you're gonna draw the rest of features like eyes, eyebrows, nose and mouth within it by drawing the lines like this and adjusting everything in their perfect places. And here I'm drawing the eyes first, and don't forget to draw the center lines because I always forget. After the eyes and the eyebrow, I am just simply drawing the nose and then the mouth. So here our first method is done, and now for the second method, I'm gonna draw the eyes first by drawing a line like this for them. So as you have already seen that this tutorial is gonna be super easy, and I know you are gonna watch till the end, and so don't forget to like the video too. And if you're already not a subscriber, then of course subscribe to my channel for getting more easy tutorials of your favorite characters. And as you have seen in the second method, that after drawing the facial features like eyes etc, I have drawn the face shape around it and then the ears and the neck. That's all, it was the second method, and now let's start drawing the actual sketch. And in the actual sketch, I'm proceeding with the first method because I think it's the more easy one. But the second method I think is more reliable than this one. So it's okay, go with which one method do you want and which one do you think is easy, because it just doesn't matter much, and as I showed you before, both of them will be easy to draw and will be reliable, and you will be able to draw through any method. So I hope you are understanding everything clearly. And also feel free to resize your oval if you think it's not perfect. And I'm drawing Saitama because it was the most requested character on Instagram, so here you go. And now finally, after drawing the perfect oval, I am trying to mark the mouth, nose and eyes like this. I am doing that by looking into the reference and imagining their distance from each other. So here I have finally started drawing the eyes after marking the eyebrows. And drawing eyes in this picture is also not a big deal. Like, they're actually just looking like semicircles. And there's not any complicated lens or a shape. So I choose this picture just because it was super easy to draw. It's really the easiest sketch I have ever done. So finally, after drawing the facial features, I'm drawing the neck. And now finally I am drawing the ears, and as you can see, they're starting from the eyes and ending at the ear. So in this way it becomes really easy to draw ears. Like, noticing such small connection in the sketch is really necessary. So now finally I am drawing his dress, or maybe a costume. And here I'm resizing his head again because I think it's still not perfect. And now finally our sketch is complete, and now let's remove it and do the outline like always. So here using a 6B pencil for the outline, and just be careful with it because you know a line with dark pencil can't be undone on a paper. And now finally after the outline, I am using an HB pencil to do the shading. And after HB, I'm using a 4H pencil, which is a lighter one. It's more lighter than 2H pencil. Actually, beginner tutorial is complete here, and now I'm gonna just do a little bit more shading. If you're drawing this sketch, you can actually skip this part, but if you love to do shading, then no problem, keep proceeding. And now after all the shading, I'm finally using this little piece of cotton to blend the face, because if I use blending stump, it may ruin it. And now finally it's time to do the signature, and now let's go to see the final look. By the way, you have already seen the final look, but whatever. Still, let me give you a close-up. So I hope the video was helpful and you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share your thoughts about this sketch.